Chef Chang, nice to see you. Today I'm gonna do the parrot. This is my bird, Kai. Okay, 8 years old. Today I'm gonna do this kind of parrot. Okay, you come here. To the macaw. Okay. I drew the watermelon. And here I'm gonna do this kind. Okay. Also, I use the ruler. You know. See how big? So I drew this. Okay. Right now, start. This is my Kai. Okay. His name Ichi. Right now, start.
说你舍不得吃掉这一种感觉，雨下整夜，我的爱溢出，就像雨水源自落叶，对我的思念厚过一叠，几句是非，也无法将我的热情冷却，你只现在。
Hi, I long time didn't do the watermelon sculpture or the watermelon flower because I hurt my shoulder, my tennis elbow, almost 1 year. But today I have the feeling, like do this. So I do the macaw. It's good. See, my bird Kai, he can wait. Why not? He wanna eat. Okay. See. Okay. See you. Next time, bye.